Evening. We're going to have that 2 o'clock breakout. Kind of looks like we've just been consolidating probably since 1 o'clock. All the way back over here, actually. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I had to close the door there real quick. Ooh. Let's see here. Possible 90 push, maybe? That would be based off the 15-minute. If it can retrace the back to the 9. Looks like it getting rejected into that fair value gap there. So hopefully you get a little bit of some good action during the power hour here. Maybe we'll retrace some of this huge move that we sold off today. Kind of wonder if we're heading back up to the 80s, maybe. So starting to consolidate a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't mind really taking a trade back up to the 80s up here. The only thing is we're at a support level on the ES. And it's really not a entry, but we're on an eval. Still got about 5 more minutes. Let's see if we can at least get our 5 points here. All right. Let's see if we can make it up to the 80s here. Actually, we'll go to 75. All right, free trade. Free trade. Well, runner didn't get it in there for us. So we got above that 50 level on the ES. We're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap up here. And I thought maybe if we can clear out that gap, that's up to 100, 105. But just to even get to the 9 EMA, you're looking at the 90. So I thought maybe we could get the 90 run on that move there. All right, so pull back to the 20s. Looks like we're curling back over. I mean, there is a fair value gap right there. Still got about 20 seconds left on this candle here. Oh, that shit reversed on me quick, didn't it? Might have to. A little bit of retest. Hopefully that retest will get us down there. Here's the top of that gap right there. So it looks like we'll be in this trade for 70 bucks if we lose. And this wasn't an A setup. This was probably like a B or C setup here. Oh, come on. That thing literally just ticked me. Ah, son of a B. That thing just, look at that. Look how close that was. Oh, well. That was crazy. That should have got us out of that trade. When it got that close and came back, we should have just exited. So right now we're just kind of flat, guys. So we're just kind of waiting, maybe a little bit of movement. Been just kind of consolidating in this box for a little bit. So maybe we can just get a little bit of a pullback and maybe we can find us an entry. Oh, we still got about 10 minutes before that 2:30 hour. Maybe we'll get a little bit of move, start getting some movement after the 3:30. And it may be this way all the way up until the 250 death candle. Don't know. And see, you got the EMAs kind of flat at the moment. So this is why we're just getting a lot of consolidation. See how they're just kind of staying close together. See, we had that little fake out break last time that I thought we were going to move up and it didn't continue. Let's see if we continue this time. Yes, it's going to. Maybe we can find support at that 50. No. A little fake out to the upside, then right back off. So it's either we can get like a fair value gap or some kind of space in between the 9 or 21. We're going to continue consolidating sideways. Let's just I don't know if I have confidence in going 10. We had a lot of support in that 40 areas. Let's see if the short's going to hold here. If they don't go down, we'll go to break even quick because I don't want to be stuck in this trade because it's not moving down. All right. See how it's struggling to move? Right there at the bottom of this freaking box. All right. All right, made it through the box. How's everyone doing this evening? So hopefully we can get a better little setup with the pullback. We just need some space in between our 9 and 21. All right. So we got about 2 minutes before the 2:30 hour or 3:30 hour. So maybe we'll get some kind of movement at that time. So we're getting out of that box. Man, it looks like it just wants to dump off. Man, it dumped out of that box super fast. That was probably the 2:30 candle. Looks like we're feel like that was just a all right. Struggling to move higher. All right. Nice. Ooh, that was a nice little win there. What's up? I'm doing good, Jacob. Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice little entry. So this is we're up. These are some 50Ks that we did for 90%. So we're up 352 in one and 328 in other. And these are funded accounts right here. So the Ripnik was kind of messing up today. So I didn't really stream today because Ripnik was having issues this morning. All right, we're going to switch back over to micro. Well, oh, there we go. I was like, man, what? How's your day been, Jacob? I'm going to mark this trade out here. Oh, so you did the fast track accounts? Nice. You said all 4 fast track accounts move into the next day. Like you pass 4 fast track accounts, or you're getting them tomorrow. Oh, you hit your goal with them. Okay, gotcha. So nice. Yeah, I got a couple fast tracks too. We're just slowly trying to get used to trading Quant Tower. Let's see if this would have been a one in trade here. Entry would have been about 27. Yeah, this one would have been a winner. That would have been a win in trade too. This one to me even looked better. Oh, you said you can't use Quant Tower? Hmm. Well, what about have you downloaded Nitro? With Nitro, you get everything with it. Oh, just mean you don't like it? Okay. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it either myself, but I know the fast track version's a little bit better because you get all the indicators with it. So this way, if you like some indicators or whatever, you can get more than 2, I guess. And I try to set mine up as much as I could to what do you want to call it? My Ninja. Wow, this was a nice trade here. I wish we'd have took it the second time too. I mean, it's pretty. This was the one I took here, but then we had a 2-candle pullback into the EMA. You would have got short around the 26, 27, and we're already down 30 points. So that was a nice entry here. A lot cleaner, a lot better than this one. All right, let me close this out. You can pretty much see the same thing here on Ninja too. Nice clean entry. So we're making some fair value gaps here. So maybe if we can pull back into this fair value gap. We still got about 12 minutes before that 350. So just be careful around that time because we do get some def candles. Okay. All right, so we're going to see if this gap can hold, maybe. If we can get a pullback into this gap here, this gap holds, maybe we can look for a short out of this area here. And it may not even offer us an entry. It could just be slowly grinding off. Man. No pullback yet, guys. No pullback since this entry up here. Oh. Wow, there it goes. Man, it's still going. Oh, September is not letting us down with the bears. September is usually a bearish month, usually. Sounds like Jay wants to nuke an account. Going, and gone. Goodness, what a move. We were just one move too early, guys. One move too early. If we can get a pullback, we will look for an entry, but until we get a pullback, we're just not going to jump in. And we also have to be aware of the 350 hour, just because sometimes we get some crazy movement at that 350 def candle. I mean, as much as that we've been selling off, you would think that we would just continue. As the def candle would mean going down. Either that, or it can be some quick retracements to take out some stops. Is that all it's going to give us, is the one candle pullback? God, I really don't want to take it on that candle either. I mean, still got about 7 minutes, so still got a little time. All right. Just a little bit deeper. Come on, just get in there. There we go. We also have this gap here. Nice. Look at the fair value gap pullback paid today. Whew. The money shot right there, guys. Come on. Mm-hmm. 30. Let me switch over to the 2-minute here and see what my 2-minute candles look like. I really don't want to go all the way back up there. Stay within 10 points. And we almost got a 50-point move here. Whew, that was a nice trade there. Nice pullback. Used the fair value gap to hold up my entry. Nice. Oh, nice. Whew. Did you hop in that trade with me, Methodical Man? Dude, that was the pullback fair value gap trade, man. Look at that. That thing was perfect. Look, pull down, had the fair value gap. The fair value gap found support right at the top, and pretty much like a failed inversion trade, basically. I don't know if I want to take any more trades. So far, we're at 462 in this new 50K account and 328 in the other 50 account. So today, when I tried to trade these new funded accounts, that's when Ripnik was acting kind of funny. So unfortunately, we even wanted to copy trade today, but it's just, I don't know. Didn't feel comfortable doing it because of the issues Ripnik was having. All right, so we broke support. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, all right. So here's the def candle here. We also have a gap here, gap there. I won't be taking this one. I don't like the fact that the 9 is kind of, looks like you see a little curl on it. Still not buying the sell off here. Kind of like the possible push back up, maybe. Almost want to try long here. Yes, looks like it's pumping. Little retracement. Nope, got rejected at that freaking 21. We got about 3 minutes before the 55 death candle. $30 minutes also moving back up here too. Might take a little bit of a gamble trade here in a minute. Let's see if we can curl back up. We got 1 minute left. Oh shit, I may get slapped on this death candle here. All right, so we're going to risk what, $60 on the death candle. Oh, yeah. All right, we got 10 seconds before the death candle here. Come on. Don't know if we're going to be able to move on up. Looking for 10 points. All right, we're going to go to break even just because. Oh. All right. Get it. There we go. Come on. I'll take a little bit. I don't want to completely miss out on the whole trade. Oh, well. I should have put my freaking I should have put my freaking stop loss right below those wicks. Son of a bee. Damn it. Oh well. Well, we got our profit back, so we're just going to finish the day at 441 on this account. It took 2 entries to get this long. I mean, I took it a little bit earlier. It stopped me out for $60 then, and we were able to get a little bit more back on it. So 2 end of the day nice trades. We had like almost a 40-50 point trade while ago, and this one here was a nice trade at the end. Oh, I wish I would have saw I wasn't even paying attention to these wicks, man. These wicks would have paid here. Look, the wicks bounced off it twice. And I missed it. How'd you fare, methodical man? Did you take any more trades? All right, guys, I'd like to thank everybody for watching today. So we got 10 seconds left before the market closes. So, and we will be back early in the morning. So the better entry on this would have been your wick test entry off the 90. Oh, not trading. Thanks for stopping by, Jacob. Have a good evening. All right, guys, we will talk to you tomorrow.